Hi, thanks for taking the time to look at Liberty Locksmiths' first video. Maybe my last, but depends how the nerves go. Here we have a house in Cambuslang with 2-star, police approved, sole secure handles, and inside the handles we have an Avocet 80k 3-star British standard locks. These locks throughout the house, 5 in total, keyed alike, which means one key fits every lock. One open. Two open. Hey presto, that's open. And that's open. Again, same key ring. Go to the next door. Again, these are matte black, sole secure, police approved handles, and inside we have Avocet 80k 3-star kite mark locks. There we go, another one. Again, same key. It's 5 locks in total. That one's open. And we go up to this next one. Now the front door is again 2-star handles with a 3-star Avocet 80k lock. Key in, same key throughout the house, open. There we go. So one key fits everything. A burglar is not getting in here. Lock snapping. No chance. Thank you very much. Bye bye.